Let's see what we got. And we'll try these floating trout worms. Garlic scented.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yep, got one. Well, proven fact. These garlic worms work. Power bait, trout bait, but pink.
Or
we'll try those after. Fish on. Mom got fish.
look at this humongous guy.
Good catch. Got it.
Activate.
Fish on. There we go. Got a nice little rainbow. Looking good.
You want to hold him?
Fish on. Yeah. Got some rainbow trout right here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a real good one right there.
Earlier we got a giant.
Get a picture of that and send it.
All right.
Boy, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. Nice rainbow color.
Oh yeah.
There you are.
I like your dog.
Thank you.
Beautiful dogs.
Thank you.
There he goes. You guys have a good one. Fish on. Whoop. Come on, babe, you can do it.
Whoop, whoop.
Fish on. Net boy. Yeah, baby, get it. Good. Nice.
It's not a curse.
That's a pretty one.
Perfect hook set. Good job, baby. Right at the bottom of the mouth.
Release some net or hand.
Got it. There you go, babe.